Hi guys, today I'm going to review the REI Trailmade 2 backpacking tent. This is a two-person tent that is coming in at a total weight of 5 pounds 7 ounces, minimum trail weight 4 pounds 4 ounces. I'm going to do an overview or a simple review of this tent to see how I might like it as a casual backpacker. Bear in mind that a tent this heavy for backpacking would probably not be ideal for any long range hikes or through hikes or anything like that. So it's REI's budget offering entry level tent. So let's take it outside.
Here are some stats of the REI Trailmade 2 backpacking tent. It is a 3-season tent, 2-person capacity, 4 pounds 4 ounces minimum trail weight, 5 pounds 7 ounces total trail weight. The package size is 8.5 by 22 inches, kind of bulky. Floor dimensions are 88 by 52 inches. Nothing wrong with that. Floor area 31.7 square feet. Vestibule area 19 square feet. Peak height 39.9 inches. 2-door tent, 2 poles. It's an X configuration shaped tent, which is standard and basic and ideal for space. The pole material is aluminum, so it's good quality poles. It's not like some cheap big box tent. Pole diameter is 8.5 millimeters. The canopy fabric is made of polyester nylon combination. The floor fabric is polyester. The rain fly is coated polyester. You might want to spray that with waterproofing from time to time if I'm not mistaken. The footprint is included underneath the tent, and it's conveniently designed to be attached to the bottom of the tent, so it's easy to set up. It's a freestanding design, and the sustainability is from a climate neutral certified brand. Getting this tent out of the bag, I notice it's well organized and put together, and I'm quickly noticing that the fabric seems to be very pleasant, and the appearance of the tent is very nice as well. This does not look like some cheap big box tent. This tent is $179 at full price, but I got it on sale during the 4th of July sale that they had, that event they had going on. I paid $137 for this tent, which I sprung for right away when I saw that price. It was a nice discount. I'm really liking this rainfly design. It's thick and sturdy, and it has 2 vestibules to protect your belongings from the elements. Lots of space there. I'm going to do a follow-up video staying in this tent when I go camping in a week or two, and I'll report on how I liked staying in it. Right now, this is just an overview of setting up the tent. Do a quick walk around. I did not set up the rainfly as taut as I could have, just doing a quick overview here, so bear in mind. Crawling inside of the tent, I noticed as a person who is 6 foot 2 inches tall that the space is not too bad. It's a little tight for a 2-person tent, but that's typical. There is a space on top, as you saw, to hang lanterns or other things. There is a pocket in the corner there where you can stow your phone and other small gadgets. The design, again, is sturdy, and I like the fabric material. 2 doors, one on each side, as you can see. I'm thinking I'll be happy in here. So to wrap up the overview of the REI Trailmade 2, I think this is an ideal backpacking tent for people who are going on short backpacking trips, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 days. No through hikes with this tent. It's just too heavy, but it's very well designed and very pleasant to look at, and it just feels like it's decent quality. It's definitely a budget tent, you know what I mean? It's neither a $600 tent or a $30 tent. It's kind of in between, and for casual backpacking, I think it's perfect. I don't think it'll feel that heavy with shorter trips. Once again, I'm gonna take it camping, and I'll do an update to this video on my experience actually staying in it. But on examination, setting it up today, I am definitely happy with what I've got so far. Thank you.